it's BTW again. Got my shotgun. What? Yeah. Williams is giving Matisse the ammo.
Hello, Cody.
Has Floyd been out?
Yep.
When?
Like 40 or 30 minutes ago.
Huh?
I took him out when I got home. But we have to go to Sam's and Lowe's and jump.
Huh?
I took him out when I got home.
When was that?
Like 30 or 40 minutes ago.
Where's Mom?
She went to the store, but I think he's back now.
I'm going down to load my shotgun.
I don't know. I think she's back now. I think Daddy told her to go to the regular old gas station. I think she went to the gas station store. See ya. So what's wrong with the gun?
Yeah, because you're not experienced.
Oh,
with
there it
shotguns.
goes. See, you have to crank it a lot. And then it'll shoot.
I'm very experienced with that gun, just saying.
Screw your hardware.